Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the Hewlett Packard Enterprise company. And friend, you can see here, after the completion of this internship, you will get this type of certificate also. So friend, if you don't know about the Hewlett Packard Enterprise company, so let's check it first. So you can see here, the Hewlett Packard Enterprise company is an American multinational information technology company based in Spring, Texas. And friend, it was founded in November 1st, 2050 in California. So friend, it is a very good organization and it is a multinational company and it is a very good opportunity for you to complete this virtual internship program and get the certificate. And friend, anyone can enroll in this virtual internship program, whether you are the working professional, college going students or the freshers. And friend, we are going to check all the details. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Forage who is providing this virtual internship program. And friend, you can see here the course topic name is the pre-sales. And also you can see here the course rating is the 5-star and you can see it is absolutely free. So you can see here the total time required to complete this virtual internship program is 5 to 6 hours and it is a self-paced. So friends, self-paced means whenever you will get the time, you can complete it. So there will be no time limit. And so let's check other details about this program. So friend, in this program, you can see here, you will learn the various types of skills like technical structures, then service approach, what is a customer requirement analysis, critical thinking, then effective communication, and what is the sales process. So this type of skills you will improve here. So let's check the about this program. So friend, you can see here this company help a customer to connect, protect, analyze and act on all data and applications where they live to turn insights into outcomes. And friend, in this program you will learn how to research potential solutions for a sales opportunity and discuss the solution with your team and present solutions to the customer. And friend, at the end of each task, you will be able to compare your work with model answers provided by the HPE team. So you can see here what is the entire process for completing this program. So you can see the first step, you have to complete the task, which is guided by the pre-recorded videos. And so what will be the task? We are going to check after some time. Then you can see, and then once you complete all these tasks, you will get a certificate, which I have showed you in the starting of the video. And friend, this certificate you can use in your resume and the LinkedIn profile also. And friend, it will help you to stand out in application and confidently answer the interview questions and explain why you are good for the multiple job openings. So you can see here the various types of tasks you have to complete. So if, for example, you can see the task 1 is given. So in which you can see task 1, that is a new pre-sales opportunity. So you can see here what you will learn here and what will you do. So all these things are given in the bullet point. So you can check it. So in the task 2, similarly, you can see you have to prepare for the initial customer meeting. So what types of data required for doing the customer meeting, how to approach a customer. So entire things are you will learn in this task 2. In the task 3, you can see you will learn regarding the solution option assessment. So how to conduct pros and cons analysis of potential solutions. Then key factors to consider when evaluating different solutions options. So all these details you will be learn here. Then in task 4, you can see customer proposal. So how to incorporate technical details into customer friendly pitch. Then how to use graphics effectively to illustrate key points in presentation. So these are the things required. So you will learn here. Then in the task 5, which is the finish line. So you have to submit all these your tasks and complete it. So friend, once you done all these things, then you can see here you will get this type of certificates. So if you are talking about the certificate, you can see on the top of the certificate you will get the logo of the HPE company. Then your name will be given. Then course topic you can see, and what types of tasks you have completed in this program will be also mentioned here. And friend, it is the authorized certificate you can see. And if anyone want to verify your certificate, then they can verify it easily. At the bottom of the certificate, you can see logo link is given, which you have to check, and anyone can using that link verify your certificates. So friend, what is the registration process? So before going to check that, if you have not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, virtual internship opportunities, and technology related videos. So please subscribe InfoRosan so that you will get the notification earlier. And friend, please share this video with your network so that everyone can get the advantage of this free virtual internship. So friend, once you open the link which I have given in the video description box, once you open it, then you will come to this page. So on the right hand side, friend, you can see the icon is given, that is a start free program. So you have to click simply on that. And once you click, friend, then you will be redirected to the next page. So if you already having your account in the forest, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to click on this sign up with email. And once you click, friend, then you have to provide your some necessary details like first name, last name, your email. Then you have to create one password. Then you have to select the any one options like you are the school students, university or college, or you are the working professionals or the freshers. You can select this career option. And then you have to answer how did you hear about this program. So multiple options are given like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you can see Reddit, YouTube. So if you are watching this video, then definitely it will be YouTube. Then you have to click on register. And once you register, then this program will add in your account from where you can complete it and get the certificates. And if you have any doubt, if you have any query, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe InfoRosan.